Let me fix it for you. Here you go. Eat up, everybody. Beautiful, beautiful. Y'all see this list? This is a list of all the things I wanted to do today. I knew I wouldn't get to some of them, but I was gonna try to get to most of them. Do y'all know how many I got to? None. Not even one single one of these did I get to. In other news, it's loud outside. They're doing something out there, but this came today. Love it. It's not checkered like I thought. It's just red and white stripes, but that's fine. It still matches good with the checkered ones over there. You want things to be a little different. I can't hang it up yet though because we don't have the rod for over here. We're just gonna get that one from Walmart or something because it's one of those that needs to be one that kind of bends, you know. It has to be that kind, so I can't hang it up yet. We had it, but Sissy was acting like a granny with it and it got bent. That's not really how it got bent. It was already bent anyway, but it was really funny because she came walking in with it like a granny saying, "Do you happen to have any," what was it? Lettuce. Anyway, we threw that one away, so we'll get another one from Walmart to hang because it was really all bent up. It was that way though before she was Granny Sissy. I really love this curtain. I almost do wish that I had found some with stripes for over there though now. It's fine. They're the same colors. It doesn't matter, stripes or checkered. It's fine. Checkered. I'll link this one down below though because some of y'all said you were looking for chicken curtains. They have blue and gray, I think. Like instead of the red, they were blue or gray. Looks like a little cafe. It's actually called, I think, the Rustic Rooster Cafe or something like that is the design of it. So yeah, I didn't get anything done on the to-do list, but that's okay. We'll save it for tomorrow. I wasn't gonna finish all this today anyway. It was lots of stuff. Now it's time to cook supper. Tonight we're gonna have Salisbury steaks. Now I was gonna do mashed potatoes, but I saw these egg noodles and I thought they would be good with Salisbury steaks instead of mashed potatoes. Mainly, I just don't really want mashed potatoes tonight. We just had them, you know, a few nights ago. So we're gonna switch it up and make the egg noodles, and we're gonna make a squash casserole to go with it. Y'all want biscuits, or I think biscuits instead of cornbread. It's been a beautiful day. Chilly, but beautiful. There was ice on the back porch this morning from where it had been wet from the rain, and it froze overnight. I didn't know. And I went walking outside on the back porch fast like, I did a wintertime slip and slide. Thankfully I didn't fall though. I would be really sore right now if that had happened. I'm also gonna make some sweet peas for these sweet pea loving folks. It'll be about an hour. I've got the oven preheating to 350. I'm gonna put my to-do list over here with my planner. It smells like cheeseburgers. Let me smell. Somebody's doing some wintertime grilling or something. It does smell like cheeseburgers out there. It smells like Burger King or Dairy Queen. Okay, I'm gonna get the squash cooking first for the squash casserole. Oh, and I need to get onion. I need onion for the squash casserole and onion that we put on top of the Salisbury steak. I'm just gonna slice it really thin. Thought I had a head of cabbage, but you know what? I know what I was thinking now. I've ordered that angel hair cabbage slaw mix. At first, I had a head of cabbage, and then I changed it to that already shredded kind. I was thinking I had cabbage in there. I was gonna make some fried cabbage. We'll add that to something next week. The very first time I made squash casserole, Jacob and Tyler were little. Jonah was a little bitty baby. He wasn't even a year old yet. This recipe, anyway, for squash casserole. Like before, I didn't like squash casserole, the other recipes I would make, but it is wonderful. I saw it in a magazine. I think it was a Trisha Yearwood recipe. It was either Trisha Yearwood or Paula Deen. Or it could have been somebody completely different. I'm just don't know why I'm thinking that it was them, but it was, I mean, it was, you know, many years ago, like 11 years ago, so I can't remember for sure, but it was from some kind of Southern cooking magazine. But what's funny is we used to, I had a camera back then because I made videos for Titus. He trained horses then. I would make videos for him to give to the customer so they could see the horse's progress. When they came and picked it up, they could see where they started and, you know, where they were when they were leaving. So I had the camera for that, but every now and then I would film Gotta scoop my butter back, it's browning on me. I would film cooking something. Like, I don't even know why, but this squash casserole was one of the things I filmed, me and Jacob and Tyler making it. I really wish I still had that footage, because it was funny. Like, I was just playing with them, and we were really acting like we were on a cooking show. Now, you can put the onion in the patties with the Salisbury steaks, but I like to cook the Salisbury steaks and then cook the onions to put on top of them. All right, we're gonna put some salt and pepper on the squash and onions, and we just let it cook for about 7 minutes until it, you know, gets really tender. Sissy's shredding some cheese for me. And then get the water boiling for the egg noodles.
Squash casserole is one of my favorite kinds.
I already put the salt and pepper on the squash and onions, so now we're just going to put in the sour cream and some cheese. We just have medium cheddar. You can use sharp, medium, mild, or whatever you want to use. Tyler's in here now looking for something to taste test. We have some hot and spicy Cheez-Its over here, Tyler. Now we need some Parmesan cheese, about half a cup. We have a sleeve of just the regular Townhouse crackers. We're gonna crush them and sprinkle them all over the top, and then I have a little bit of melted butter that we're just gonna drizzle over them. Spread them out. Sissy's gonna drizzle the butter, and it's going in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes.
There it goes, Betty. Betty, did you know how to count to 3 yet? Say it. Count to 3, Speedy.
1, 2, 3,
Ooh.
4, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You can go.
10, 11, 10, 11.
All right, for the Salisbury steaks, we have a little over 2 pounds of ground beef. We're gonna put some salt and pepper, about a half a cup of breadcrumbs, just the plain kind, and 2 eggs. So we just cook these, and like I said, if you want to chop the onion up, you know, dice it really little, you can add it in here with them, but we like to cook the onions and then put those over the top with the gravy. Now we just make the patties.